So let's have a look at the second working or second formula that you need to calculate for Brophy 2010, the net profit. So you know that the net profit is in the profit and loss account. So we go up to the profit and loss account, we'll see the net profit for the year is blank. So we know to calculate the net profit, you need the gross profit and you take away your expenses. So the figures that we need for this, it's going to be your gross profit, which is 172,000. Then you're going to need your expenses, which are 104,000. So now that we have the figures that we need to calculate it, to calculate the net profit, we're going to put into the formula, which is your gross profit of 172,000. Take away your 104,000. And when you put that in your calculator, you're going to get 68,000. So your net profit, 68,000. Remember to use the units of euros because this is in euro, and that is your second formula for Brophy 2010. Your net profit, which is gross profit, take away your expenses. So 172,000 take away 104,000, and those two figures were taken from the trial balance or the profit and loss account of 172,000 and 104,000 then for your expenses.